Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and I'm aboard the 2019 Sailfish 220 center console. Starting at the back here, we have a 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine with your live well on the starboard side and the boarding ladder on the port side. You'll notice your meter, rod holders, and cup holders, along with some stereo speakers. More stereo speakers can be found up on the hardtop, along with courtesy lights and 4 more rod holders. At the bench of the helm, there's more rod holders and cup holders to be found in front of your stainless steel helm, throttle, Garmin display, your switches, your gauges, and your Fusion stereo. Making our way up to the bow, you'll notice the interior of the console has a head and plenty extra room for storage. The bow of the Sailfish is very deep, very dry. There's a railing all around. It's as safe as a bow can get. We have padded seat here up against the front of the console, along with the wraparound seating in the bow, which under the cushions you'll find storage under both the starboard and port side. Here you have your anchor hold, and you'll notice boat cleats going along the whole boat. Again, this is the 2019 Sailfish 220 center console. For any additional information at all, please give us a call at 781-875-3619. Thank you.